Okay, welcome to our fourth and final in a series of webcasts on how to manage restoration projects through the Greenways and Blueways website. In this webcast we will look at how to add a new restoration project to the site, and to do that, of course, up in our browser after the words Greenways and Blueways we need to add the word restoration, and we hit enter. It will take us to a log-on screen. In this case I've created a new sponsor for me. My name is Restoration Rob, so the initials are RR, and I'll type in my password, click login, and that will take me to my project. Now you'll notice that the sponsor's name, Restoration Rob, is going to show up here, and it's a locked field, which means you can't change it. Now the reason for this is that the name of the sponsor is tied into your login, so if you could change this you could potentially stop yourself from being able to edit or modify this posting at a future date. So for this particular project we'll give it a name of FrogsPond, and we'll do that of course because our amphibious friends are having a little bit of a hard time surviving in today's climate changes. Now for the points, this is the latitudinal, longitudinal location of our particular project, and if you had a GPS unit you could probably type that in, as well as some of the other code that's required to make sure that it shows up on our map. However, what we do have down here at the bottom of the screen is a map that we can use to locate the exact spot that our push pin's going to show up. So because it's a frogs pond, I'm going to find a little piece of water, and it looks like we've got something around Highway 49 here, so I'm just going to drag my map there, and you'll notice by just sheerly clicking on it, these points up here will be modified. Now to zoom in on this little area of blue, I'm going to hold down the control key, I'm going to press the left mouse button down, and I'm going to drag down and to the right, and you'll see it creates a little marquee around our maps. When I let go of the mouse key, it'll zoom in on this section of lakes around Long Lake and Mink Lake, and we'll choose this as our pond for our restoration project. So just clicking on it again updates that point. We'll give it a description, so just west of Highway 49, north of Valpo. Oops. There we go. Now if we had an image that we could place in there, maybe something that already exists on the web, we can come across and paste in our URL. And I've found one that's maybe appropriate online, and we'll just paste in the URL there on our website. This would be a link to another web page or website specific to this particular project. In this case maybe we'll call something FrogsPond.com in case there is something there, and this would be a description. Project to help protect the diversity of frogs, or something like that. Project to help protect the diversity of frogs in northwest Indiana. There, capitalize the I, and of course it's in Porter County. And I'll click insert, and when I do that you'll notice at the top of my restoration projects FrogsPond appears. Now just to show you that this has actually made a difference on the website, we'll open a new browser window, and I'm just going to click the new tab here, and we'll type in greenwaysandblueways.com. Oops, the right place, and then we'll go to our map of Greenways, which is the restoration projects. Scroll down, and then this little pond here is probably our project on Frogs Pond. So that just quickly shows you how to create your own restoration projects. And of course if you wanted to fill in or create a website specific to this, you can always edit the project page, and any images that you have that you want to link back into that push pin you can add into the project page there as well, and that would be a method of getting a web-based image into your pushpins. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed this particular presentation, and we look forward to seeing your new project show up on the website.